want to introduce you to a special place. It's Richland Lumber, but what I love about it, it's not just lumber. They have kitchen, doors, floors, they have cabinets, they have so much. Let's go inside and talk to Kodi. She specializes in kitchens. I'm doing my kitchen this year, so I'm really excited to talk to her. Let's go inside. So this is Kodi. Kodi is the interior designer here for Richland Lumber. She doesn't only do kitchens, she does any room where you need cabinetry. Look at this amazing showcase. So if somebody wanted to start the process of remodeling their kitchen, like me, what would you suggest is the best thing to do?
I would say give me a call. I would love to come out to your house and measure and see what space I'm working with first.
Okay.
And if you have any inspiration pictures from Pinterest, that'd be a great thing to start off.
Okay.
I can do my best, work within your budget, with any experience that you're doing.
Okay. All right. And do these already come, these colors, or is it like a base cabinet and then you just pick the color that you want?
So you can pick based off of style, or you can base pick off of color. They can come in all these colors and so many more. There's limitless options.
Now these are not like big box store cabinets, and I'm price sensitive, like a lot of people are price sensitive. So I'm gonna ask you, like, what kind of budget are we thinking about? Because when I think about remodeling my home, I'm thinking about my Home Depot to Lowe's. That's the budget that I have. Can you work with something like that?
I can definitely match a box store price with a better quality.
Okay, that's it, I'm sold. And one more thing, and a lot of people are asking because it takes so long to remodel. So about how long is the process, like getting delivery of the product and getting it installed and stuff?
So from the time I come up to measure and order, the date that we order, I would say for a stock cabinet, about 3 weeks. But if you want something custom, we're looking at about 7 weeks.
And what if like somebody doesn't have a remodeler, or somebody doesn't have someone to come in and install? Do you have people to come in and install? Do you recommend?
We do offer installed sales now. It's something new that we're doing this year.
That is amazing. Thank you so much, Kodi.
Thank you.
And special treat in March, we're going to be doing a talk. Kodi's going to be talking about what quick fixes you can do to your kitchen to increase the value dramatically. And I'm going to be talking about home buying and the buyer's process. Thank you.